Enjoy maintenance-free living in this townhouse located in highly sought-after Highfields community. Minutes to shopping, schools, the Taconic and Metro North. Kitchen, dining area, living room, bedroom and full bath on the main level with 2 sets of sliding glass doors out to a wraparound deck for outside dining and entertainment. Upper level boasts an oversized master bedroom suite with vaulted ceilings, large Palladium window, 2 spacious walk-in closets, bonus room that is perfect for an office and a full bath. Downstairs is an unfinished basement with limitless possibilities and plenty of storage, utilities and laundry with walkout to a patio. The complex is quiet and very well cared for and has a lovely community pool.